This is mod 3 for the prone Cobra airplane. Come to lie on your belly, prone position. Forehead towards the floor, hands by the hips, palms face down. Activate that back body first, so point your toes, spread your fingers, and then lift everything up off the floor. Squeeze the hamstrings, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the shoulder blades. From here, you're gonna lift your left shoulder up towards the ceiling, keeping your hip bones pushing into the floor. Once you get that shoulder down and back, there's a pause here in that contraction. And then as you release, come back to neutral. And now do the other side. Lift that right shoulder up, and then pause and squeeze. Really drive that right shoulder down and back. Come back to neutral. Continue alternating sides, finding that pause, that contraction at the top of the movement.
Again, Nathan Malik. Again, Nathan Malik. Again, Nathan Malik. Nathan Malik. Nathan Malik. Again.
And rest.